Do you have a door that will not shut no matter what you do? Slam it. I do too. I'll show you how I fix it. Let's get right to it. Now there are several things that could cause your door not to close. You might have something obstructing it, like the weather stripping, maybe it's sticking out a little bit too far. But in this instance, it's actually the strike plate that's the problem here. It needs to move this way a little bit further in order for the doorknob to catch it properly. I don't know who installed this thing, but you can tell they kind of jacked it up. It's not so great. Now the first thing we need to do is take the old strike plate off. It's as simple as unscrewing the screws and pulling the strike plate off of the door jamb. Just be careful because there might be some caulk or something in there holding it in place. Just rip it right off. Now I need to bring this forward about 1/4 of an inch. So that means I'm gonna have to chisel out some wood and relocate some holes. These door jambs have pretty soft wood in it, so chiseling out this wood is not incredibly tough. I'm using a 3/4 inch wood chisel and literally just extending the size of the square that is in the door jamb here so I can move the strike plate slightly forward. Just make sure you get all of the excess wood out of here so the strike plate will go in nice and clean and the doorknob will be able to secure itself properly. Now I just have to fix the holes because I need to put screws right next to it. If you'd like a little bit more information on how I do this, click or tap on the card at the top of the screen and it'll break this down for you in greater detail. Now that we've cut out the wood and fixed our holes, we can put our strike plate back in its new location. This is as simple as putting the strike plate back in its spot and drilling the screws right in. You might need to put a screw in at an angle in order to get it in the right spot. Just make sure they're snug and they're flush. And now for the final test to see if this thing will close. Yes, okay. Hey, if you want a little bit more information on how I relocated those screw holes, check out this video right here. And while you're here, you can check out this one as well. Till the next time, keep doing it yourself.